The name REMA TIP TOP is synonymous with excellent quality and performance. From a wide range of high-quality tyre repair materials, specialist tools, and technical support for retreading, to vulcanizers which can repair the largest tyres on Earth. REMA TIP TOP now presents a new system for tyre repairing, the Vulcstar. This exciting new concept is simple yet robust and provides endless curing possibilities. The Tip Top Vulcstar is a completely new way to vulcanize truck and agricultural tyres. It provides an even pressure and a more consistent temperature around the repair area. It will repair sidewall, shoulder or crown injuries. The Vulcstar provides easy handling and low maintenance, together with the ability to handle present and future tyre sizes, including changes in profile design. Tip Top Research and Development has produced a pressure system which is 100% flexible and can be adapted to suit any contour or tyre profile. This unique system is simple and reliable. It does not need a large stock of assorted contour plates or time-consuming adjustable segments. The lugs on agricultural tyres can be built up with uncured rubber to their original size and profile, then cured in the Vulcstar machine. With the Vulcstar, there is no time wasting trying to fill the voids between the lugs with pressure equalizing bags, plaster or rubber offcuts. What you put into the machine is exactly what you will get at the end of the cure cycle. Finishing work is kept to a minimum. The following information is given to assist in understanding the Vulcstar concept, the machine components, and provide a guide on how to use the machine. The machine design is simple and reliable. It consists of a pressure bed containing quartz granulate which is heated by a large heating mat. A vertical pressure column provides resistance or counter pressure to the force exerted by the power bag. A crossarm holds the pressure shaft, which in turn holds the tread pressure plates, together with the blocks which are used for sidewall and shoulder injuries. There is a G-clamp which can be used in conjunction with the adapter to avoid close encounters with the tyre bead. If the pressure column needs to be adjusted, the Levy can be used to lever it up or to adjust it downwards. A counter pressure plate is used when quartz pressure is required on the lower tyre sidewall. This is held in position by the spin bar. Inside the bed is a Vibro compactor, which vibrates and compacts the quartz granulate into position all around the tyre repair area. This is controlled by a lever near to the control box. The box also controls the heating of the mat within the quartz. Inner heating elements are also available to be placed inside the tyre to shorten cure times. Pneumatic power bags are used to provide the curing pressure. These are placed over the heating element. To recap, the Vulcstar bed contains the quartz granulate and the heating mat. The pressure column holds the crossarm, which also locates the pressure shaft. An adapter and G-clamp is used to circumvent the bead. Additional inner heating elements are available to reduce cure times. The power bag is held in position by a plate or specially shaped block. For vertical adjustment of the pressure column, use the Levy. When working near the bead or lower bead, use the counterplate and the spin bar. To compact the quartz granulate around the tyre, use the Vibro compactor. Control the cure by using the timer and control box. Curing tread repairs with the Vulcstar system. Make sure that the machine is switched off at the mains. Remove the mat from the quartz granules. Then, using a spatula, contour the surface of the quartz to the approximate shape of the tyre. Place the mat on the quartz with its cable outlet towards the rear of the machine. Then cover the mat completely with the quartz granules to a depth of 30 to 40 millimeters. Now measure the tread depth and add this amount to the depth of the granulate. Cover the outside of the repair area with heat-resistant foil. Lean the tyre against the bed. Next, tip the tyre upwards into the bed and centre the repair in the 6 o'clock position within the quartz granules. Select the inner heating element which best fits the repair patch to be applied. Powder the element with talc. Also, powder the repair area with talc. Now centre the element onto the repair area with its cable outlet towards the rear of the machine. Please note that there is no inner element with the basic version of the Vulcstar. This is compensated for by using longer curing times. Now centre the power bag onto the inner element with the valve in the axial direction. If necessary, adjust the pressure column to the correct height using the Levy. Then insert the locking pin. Put the pressure plate into the tyre. Move the crossarm towards the operator until the pressure bar recess is centered over the repair area. Now center the plate onto the power bag. Insert the pressure shaft and apply the locking pin. Finally, make sure that all these components are centered exactly over the repair area. Next, build up the quartz evenly around the tyre, making certain that the outside mat is completely covered. This will ensure an even distribution of heat over the repair area. Using a tyre inflator, inflate the power bag to 1 bar, that's 15 psi. Open the compact lever and let the compactor operate for about 45 to 60 seconds. This will guarantee optimum distribution of heat during the cure and ensure that all voids within the granulate are completely filled. After closing the compact lever, check again that all the pressure parts and heating elements are seated correctly. If any adjustment is needed, deflate the power bag before moving any parts. Increase the pressure in the power bag to 3 bar 43 psi. Remove the tire inflator. Check that the valve of the power bag is airtight. Then close the valve with the valve cap. Consult the chart and select the appropriate curing time. Switch on the Vulcstar. Set the cure time on the timer. To comply with safety and fire regulations, the machine should not be left unattended whilst in operation. Never use damp quartz granules in the machine. Keep the machine warm when not in use. This prevents moisture forming and reduces cure times. At the end of the preset curing time, the heating system is automatically switched off by the timer. Now switch off the Vulcstar at the mains. Release all the pressure in the power bag. Wearing safety gloves, remove the pressure parts. These will be hot. Remove the tire from the Vulcstar and check that the repair area has been correctly vulcanized. Allow the tire to cool slowly. Do not try to speed up the cooling process. Curing sidewall and shoulder repairs with the Vulcstar. For sidewall and shoulder repairs, check that the machine is switched off. Remove the mat from the quartz granulate. Contour the surface of the granulate to the approximate shape of the tire. Replace the heating mat and cover it with approximately 30 millimeters of granulate. Leave the leading edge of the mat exposed. Lean the tire against the bed. Then tip it over into the quartz granulate. The repair area should be to the front and in the 6 o'clock position. Lean the tire forward and use a tire stand to support the tire. Starting from the front side, lift the heating mat to contour it to the sidewall shape. Allow the granulate to run under the mat to support it. Repeat this on the opposite side of the tire. Talc the patch area inside the tire. Next, talc the power bag. Then place over the patch unit with the valve facing the radial direction of the tire. Adjust the pressure column to the correct height using the Levy. Make sure the locking pin is fully fitted and use the safety pin. Now slide in the cross arm to check that the column height and location is correct. slide the crossarm away to gain access. Place in position the block suitable for this curing process. It should be central to the power bag. Whilst moving in the crossarm, also position the G-clamp together with the adapter. Now build up the granulate evenly around the tyre, making sure that the outside mat is completely covered. This will ensure an even distribution of heat over the whole repair area. Inflate the power bag to 1 bar, 15 psi, using a tyre inflator. Open the compact lever and let the compactor operate for 45 to 60 seconds. This will guarantee optimum distribution of heat during the cure and ensure that there are no voids in the granulate. Having done this, close the compact lever. Place the counter pressure plate into position. Secure it with the spin bar. Check again that all the pressure parts are seated properly. Increase the pressure to 3 bar, 43 psi. Remove the tyre inflator. Check the valve of the bag is airtight. Then close the valve with the valve cap. Select the correct curing time according to the chart. Switch on the Vulcstar machine at the mains. Use the timer to set the correct curing time. Remember, observe all safety and fire regulations and do not leave the Vulcstar unattended when operating. At the end of the curing time, the heating system is automatically switched off. Switch the Vulcstar off at the mains. Release the pressure in the power bag by removing the valve. Then remove the pressure parts. The Vulcstar is excellent for repairing farm tyres. A complete tread lug can be replaced with REMA TIP TOP MTR cut-resistant compound. The injury is skived in the normal way. The cure time is calculated by measuring the depth of the lug and referring to the cure chart. Then place the patch repair unit into the tyre. The lug is built up, making sure that it conforms to the original size and profile. The area is covered with heat-resistant foil. It is then cured using the Vulcstar. Lower than normal pressure is used for curing agricultural tyres. Use 2.5 bar, 37 psi. With the Vulcstar, a really excellent finish can be achieved. even large injuries between tread lugs can be repaired successfully. So whether your main interest is centered on truck and bus tire repairs, or maybe your main focus is agricultural tires, choose a system that is flexible, reliable, and robust enough for even the most demanding environments. Choose the best. Choose the Vulcstar system from REMA Tip Top.